Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and once more I am back with a new video. As you all know, I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. Okay, friends, in our last video I've covered the topic called Spirit Guides, and in this video I'm going to cover the topic called Twin Souls. Okay, and you do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, so whenever I update a new video you'll get the notification, friends. Okay, and you can also connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. Okay, so I will start, friends. Okay, the date is 4/6/1981, 4th June 1981. Okay, and the name of the topic is Twin Souls. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so whenever you see any video, you can understand that this video is the 55th video. So when if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you will understand it in a better way. Okay friends, I will start. Okay, spirit being are very anxious to bring their dear ones to a higher level. They try hard to encourage loved ones never to go wrong so that they won't suffer. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari that those who are spirit being, they are very anxious to bring their loved ones to the higher level so that their loved one doesn't suffer and they should not go with any problem, right? Every soul has a twin. It is very difficult if one twin is on a higher level and the other on a lower one. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to that every soul have a twin, and it is very difficult for a soul when one twin is in the higher level and another twin is the lower. The one who is on a higher level has to wait for its twin to rise to its level. So the soul which is on the lower level, the soul which is on higher level should wait for the other soul who is on the lower level to rise. For that reason, the one who is on a higher level in the spirit world has to encourage the one on the earth who is on a lower level. So for that reason, the higher soul which is on the higher level always encourages the other soul which is in the lower level. It is very hard task to bring an earth twin to a higher level. All twin want to be together, whether their other half is good or bad soul. So it here Vipsen Ratu is telling to us that it is very difficult for a lower soul to for a higher soul to bring the lower soul on its level, and everybody want to be with its twin soul, whether the twin is in good position or in bad position, because everybody loves to be with their loved ones in the spirit world. The person on the earth who has let his subconscious mind become dormant and who refuses to follow his or her guide's projected impression is a real problem for us spirit beings. So here Vipsin Ratu is telling to us the people on the earth whose subconscious mind become dormant and who refuses to follow the order of the spirit guide. So it's very difficult for a spirit guide to make those soul do work with their physical minds. It is tremendous difficult task for one twin to make the other follow the right path. So it's very difficult for one twin to follow the other twin in the right path. Very few twin are on the same level. So the twin on the higher level has to wait not 2 or 3, not 20 or 30, not even 200 or 300, but in some cases 500 to 600 years. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling if a twin is on a higher level and another twin is on a lower level, so other twin have to wait not for 20, not for 30, not 2, 3, in some cases 500 for even 600 years for that other twin to come on its same level. Once a soul reaches realm 1, 2 or 3, it will take 100 of earth years to rise higher. Some even take 1000 of years. So if a soul reaches the level 1, 2 or 3, it will even take 100 or even 1000 years to reach on a very higher level. 1000 of earth years to reach a higher level. The desire of twin who is waiting for the other to come up is so strong and genuine that he or she takes birth on earth to help the other twin. So here the twin who is on a higher level, it's so genuinely they want the other twin to come up. So for that reason they even take birth on the earth. Sometimes they succeed, but most of the time they fall to a lower level as well. This is how spirit world and the earth world goes on. So many a time they succeed, and some of the time even the soul who is on the higher level also falls on the lower level. And this is the way earth and the spirit world function. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us. We cannot stop ourselves from repeating this fact. If earth people were intelligent enough to realize what is good and bad for them. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that there is no required for us if the people on the earth are this much intelligent to understand what is correct and what is wrong for them, or would try to get messages from the spirit world. It would be easy for them to understand things, but most of the people earth do not believe life after death or in the spirit world. So here Vipsin Ratu is telling if someone would try to get messages from the spirit world, it would be a very easy task for them. But most of the soul doesn't believe life after death. And if someone believe it, it is beyond them to understand how we can send messages or how people on the earth can receive them. So even if some soul believe life after death, and even they believe, they don't know how to communicate with the spirit world. There are few fool in your world who even say don't talk to the departed soul, you are just harassing them by stopping their progress. So here many people, many foolish people, Vipsi and Ratu is telling in our world, they say that if we call to our departed soul, that means we are harassing them and we are stopping them towards their spiritual progress. Please don't misunderstood us, but we cannot stop ourselves from telling those fools. If you were really intelligent and learned, you would not think this way. So here Vipsen Ratu is telling, if we were intelligent to understand, we would never tell us in this way that we are stopping their spiritual progress, because nobody cannot stop their spiritual progress. Beside, those who want to stop spirit communication are so sinful and corrupt that they are afraid the world will learn and the truth, and they would not be able to fool other and continue on the evil path. So here many people don't allow other people to do spirit communication. So they think that this world will learn that I do spirit communication, and if other people do spirit communication, then I cannot get success in my evil path. Some people think they know what is right and try to make others believe that those who communicate with the spirit world are bogus or mad. So some people say those who communicate with the spirit world, they are mad or bogus because it is foolishity. Because they don't want other soul to know that their intention are wrong and they want to continue in their evil path. If people on the earth would cooperate with us, it would be so easy for us to send them messages and help them. Instead, they brag about it all being nonsense and humbug. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling if somebody would be interested in communicating with us, we can tell what is correct for you and what is wrong for you. But even some people think that this is not correct. Spirit communication is very wrong. How it harms more than it, people are so on. So we have to work very hard at projecting our thought, and we have to run after these people for years to bring them onto the right path. So here Vipsen Ratu is telling, so it's very difficult for us to make them follow the correct path, and we have to run behind those soul to make them understand what is correct and what is wrong, and it many a times take many earth years to make them understand. After even after such even after such hard work, some soul have a one track mind. They will not listen to us and we will continue on the wrong path. So after listening to all the things, also the soul have one thing in their mind, that we would not listen it, we would continue in our evil path. After an evil soul on earth makes his or her subconscious mind dormant, after his or her guide fails to bring that soul onto the right path, who is left to improve such a soul but its twin? So here when a spirit guide just spirit guide cannot when our person's subconscious mind become dormant, it's very difficult for a spirit guide to improve that soul. Then that spirit guide requested the twin soul to improve him so that he could send him the intuitions. Bringing a fallen twin on earth to a higher level and trying to improve them or her is a very difficult job for the twin in the spirit world. So a soul who have fallen spiritually down, bringing them up, it is a very difficult job for a twin soul on the spirit world. So do the needful, improve yourself and rise to a higher level quickly. Don't think of fun and happiness for a few years on earth. Things for eternal happiness. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling always try to do things for eternal happiness and do not think some enjoyment for few earthy or some enjoyment. We have to think for long term enjoyment in the spirit world, and we have to rise our level. So friends, this topic, today's topic, twin soul, came to an end. So in our next video I will be covering good or evil is your choice. Okay, as I always say friends, this book is this big, so I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making this full book, each and every topic in each and every video, so you people can understand it in a better way. And if you have any doubt, do connect with me, ask me in the comment section. You can connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. And even what you can do is friends, you can do one thing, that you can even write me mail. Do subscribe my channel. My email ID is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906 @gmail.com. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay, so this video comes to an end. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, be happy, friends. Okay, bye.